Hi everybody, Rick Mcevoy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rick Mcevoy Photography. I'm Rick. Thank you for joining me again this week where I am talking about 11 reasons why I love Luminar 4 AI sky replacement. It's been 1 week since Luminar 4 was released by Skylum. As a Skylum affiliate, I need to get that out of the way first. I've had a free version of Luminar 4. I've been doing beta testing, which has given me some really good opportunities to have a play really with this really excellent tool. I've just got a photo up here which I'll just digress onto, bear with. Taken last week, waiting for the ferry on the Isle of Wight. Completely unprocessed, I've just fired something up in, so let's just chuck a sky and see how quick it is. Bright blue sky. And there you go. And now I've realised that my ISO was a bit high because it was so gloomy and it's quite noisy. The noise is recreated nicely. You'll like this. It just makes me laugh. I'm going to do a few more. I love these night ones. Galaxy 1, check this out. Well, what's not to love? So, what are the 11 reasons that I love Luminar 4 AI sky replacement? Number 1, speed. Have you just seen? It's ridiculously quick. I'm going to do another one. This is not a good example of a photo, by the way. There's so much noise in it. But yeah, not a great example. In fact, shall we find something? No, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. So it's quick. It's accurate. It's very accurate. To show you how accurate it is, I have to go to some images in a Lightroom. Let's show you some examples. Let's go G for grid. I'll come back to that one. Imagine trying to mask this photo. All that scaffold. I do a lot of photographs of buildings with scaffold. Just look at the intricacy of what it has to deal with. I couldn't mask that in Photoshop. I would never ever be able to achieve a realistic finish. Well, I wouldn't be able to do it basically. So that's the original image. Now, the speed issue is all about my computer. It's pretty quick. It takes a while. All my photos are on a hard drive, which is at the back there. So we'll just let that do its thing in the background, which it will. And I'll move on to point 3, which is that the tool has advanced editing options. I shall show you those. See, it's just creating a new TIFF file. Here, this is all Lightroom speed now. Now Luminar kicks in. So we have the advanced editing options. So the photos I posted to date have just been pretty much send it to Luminar, chuck a sky in, save it back to Lightroom. That's it. While that's firing up, here we go. Shall we sit and wait? It's not too bad. Bearing in mind my computer, like I say, isn't the fastest. It's a Dell laptop actually, 3 years old. So we just go down here, AI sky replacement. If we just choose, let's go with sunset, let's go with blue sky. There you go, realistic, looks good. You've got horizon blending, horizon position, relight scene, sky global. lens from van settings. If you've got a version of Luminar, just play around with these slides, that's the best thing to do. I can't really describe them properly for you, have a play yourself. Okay. Number 4, as you've just seen, Luminar 4 is fully compatible with Lightroom. In Lightroom I have, let's go to the top here, 80,000 photos in a single Lightroom catalogue. I don't want to be mucking around with those, I just want them to stay where they are, so I can carry on working as I always have done, but I've got this extra tool now which I can just dive into whenever I want very easily, so nothing's changed, my work carries on as before, which is brilliant. Also, this is non-destructive editing, because if I go to G for grid, that's a new file, that's a new TIFF file, that's the original one, that's the sky replacement I did before. So every time you send an image from Lightroom to Luminar, it creates a new TIFF file, so you never lose what you had before. Okay, number 5, Luminar just needs adding to my workflow. As I said, my workflow just needs tweaking. I need to work out if I'm going to replace the sky at the beginning of an edit or at the end of an edit. At the moment I'm doing it at the end of an edit as an additional thing that I couldn't do before, which is good. I might swap it around so the sky replacement's done first and I can do the corrections. Not sure yet, probably just stick like that. There are 29 skies included. If I go back to, I have actually edited a photo with 29, and I obviously can't find it now. It's called Luminar Skies, that's why I couldn't find it. That's the original photo, and these are all the skies. Sunsets, dramatic skies, wait for it, sandbanks with the Milky Way. Not sure it actually looks like that, but hey, I like it. 29 skies included. If you don't like any of them, just scroll down on my iPad, by the way, in case you wonder what I'm doing. You can add your own skies in. Back to Luminar. Load custom sky image. Haven't worked out how to do that yet. I've been having fun with my 29 skies, so we'll get on to it. Number 8, the pictures look great. They really do look great. I don't need to say any more than that. You can check out all the posts which I provide links to on the blog post, where I've got 50 architectural photos which I have created or transformed even using Luminar 4. Cloudy days are no longer a problem. If you live in Florida, a Greek island, etc., this isn't a problem to you. I live in England, the cloudy days are a big problem. What I did was I just went through my catalogue and I found, without really trying, 50 photos which I'd edited, which I'd issued to clients. Things like this, which becomes this. Let's go through a few of these. That one there, I mean the sky is not horrendous, it works well. I just noticed a bit of stuff I haven't removed. It's a little bit brighter. Again, not a hideous sky, but a nicer photo. I just didn't like that sky, I never did. So that's better. Unedited image. Night sky. Night sky. I'm going to get over the night sky thing. And back to the scaffold. The often photographed scaffold. Let's do another 10. A lot of the shoots I do, I only get one opportunity to do them because the works are complete, people move into the building. This is one. refurbishment of a school. It was a complicated middle bit around the back there that you can't really see. But it was cloudy. How much better does that look? There's a few of this one. Just very, very quick, very simple, very little work involved for me. And once I get my own skies in, this was a heavy edit from a portfolio. I just thought I'll give it a go, see what happens. A few errors there, not Luminar's fault, that's just the amount of editing I've done. Typical of the work that I do. I wanted to include realistic examples rather than just showing you outlandish sky replacements that look absolutely ridiculous and fake. Again, just changes the feel of the image. This shoot started off sunny, so we'll end it off sunny. Nice Porsche with a sunset sky. And this one was quite a recent one. Not looking good, is it? Quite subtle, nothing outlandish. So that was, photos look great. I can also make images taken on different days and make them look as though they're taken on the same day, which is really good because you can produce more cohesive sets of images for a client. Last point for now. I just love using it. I just do. That's it. You see me smiling. It's not forced. It's not because I'm getting commission if you buy from my Skylum affiliate link. I genuinely love using it and will use it in my future work. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my photography blog. Next week, the 29 skies of Luminar in a slideshow. See you then. Bye for now.